Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best splatter screens for mess-free cooking that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're frying bacon, sautéing vegetables, or deep frying chicken, a reliable splatter screen is a must-have for keeping your kitchen clean and your hands safe. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the House Shield Transparent Splatter Guard. This product is designed exclusively for induction cooktops, offering 360-degree coverage to protect your kitchen from grease and splatters. Its standout feature is its transparent design, which allows you to monitor your cooking without removing the screen. Made of tough polycarbonate, it's both lightweight and highly durable, withstanding impacts and temperatures up to 302 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. While the innovative design and foldable feature make it easy to store, its limitations are worth noting. This splatter guard is not compatible with gas stoves or open flames, which makes it less versatile than other options on this list. However, for those with induction cooktops, it can be a game changer. Its smooth edges and lightweight construction make it user-friendly, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. One downside is the relatively low customer rating of 3.8 stars, which reflects some concerns about its durability over time. This product is ideal for those exclusively using induction cooktops and looking for a modern, lightweight, and functional design. However, its lack of compatibility with other stovetops limits its audience. If you fall into the niche it serves, this could still be a handy addition to your kitchen. But for most users, there are more versatile options available. Coming in at number 4 is the U.S. Kitchen Supply 3-piece stainless steel splatter guard set. This set includes 3 sizes, 13 inches, 11.5 inches, and 9.5 inches, making it versatile for a variety of pots and pans. Each splatter guard features a fine mesh design that blocks grease and oil while allowing steam to escape, ensuring your food cooks evenly. The set also comes with resting feet and comfort grip handles, enhancing stability and convenience during use. The stainless steel construction is durable and rust-resistant, and the mesh is designed to withstand frequent use without warping. Plus, these splatter screens are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. However, the plastic handle might not be as heat-resistant as some users would prefer, so care is needed when using it over high heat. With a 4.7-star customer rating, it's clear that users appreciate the functionality and value this set brings. This product is perfect for someone who needs multiple options for different cookware sizes. Whether you're frying bacon, sautéing vegetables, or simmering sauces, this set has you covered. The only downside is that the handles, though comfortable, could be improved for higher heat resistance. Overall, it's a solid choice for those who want versatility and convenience. At number 3, we have the U.S. Kitchen Supply 4-piece stainless steel splatter guard set. This set is similar to the previous entry, but offers even more versatility with an additional size: 13 inches, 11.5 inches, 10 inches, and 8 inches. The fine mesh screens are effective at blocking grease and oil while letting steam escape, ensuring clean cooking and great tasting food. Each screen features a comfort grip handle and resting feet to keep your countertops clean. The stainless steel construction is both durable and rust-resistant, and the mesh holds up well under regular use. These guards are dishwasher safe, making maintenance quick and simple. However, like its 3-piece counterpart, the plastic handles may not be ideal for extended use over high heat. With a 4.6-star customer rating, this set has a strong reputation for quality and practicality. This product is ideal for households with a variety of cookware sizes. The additional 8-inch screen makes it particularly useful for smaller frying pans. While the handles could be improved, the overall performance and convenience make this set a great choice for busy kitchens. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the OXO Good Grip stainless steel splatter screen with folding handle. This product is all about convenience and quality. Made from perforated stainless steel, it's easier to clean than mesh screens and won't clog or burn. The screen is designed to fit frying pans up to 13 inches wide, and its concentric rings help center and secure it on the pan. One of the standout features is its folding handle, which allows for compact storage, a big plus for those with limited kitchen space. The soft, comfortable handle also rests conveniently over the frying pan handle, making it easy to use. Dishwasher safe and rust resistant, this splatter screen is built for long-lasting performance. With a 4.5-star rating and a price point of $22.95, it offers excellent value for money. This product is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-clean splatter screen that combines durability and convenience. While it doesn't come with multiple sizes like some sets, its high-quality design and thoughtful features make it a standout choice. If you're looking for the best splatter screen overall, the OXO Good Grips is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.